As technological progress accelerates at an exceptional rate, the manner in which we travel is undergoing a dramatic transformation. From flying taxis and Hyperloop systems to autonomous vehicles and magnetic trains, the ways we move around are evolving rapidly. In this video, we will explore innovative modes of transportation that have the potential to revolutionize travel forever. Let's get started. When it comes to futuristic transportation concepts, the Hyperloop is a must-mention. First proposed by Elon Musk in 2013, the Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that consists of a series of tubes or tunnels through which specially designed pods can travel at extremely high speeds. These pods are aerodynamic capsules designed to carry passengers or cargo, which travel through the tube using linear induction motors and magnetic levitation. The goal of the Hyperloop is for it to be fully autonomous, with the efficiency and safety of the capsule controlled by an onboard computer system. The Hyperloop has generated a lot of excitement and interest around the world because of its potential to revolutionize travel. By using reduced air pressure inside the tubes to minimize air resistance and increase speed, the Hyperloop could be faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly than many other modes of transportation. It has the potential to reduce time travel between cities by a significant amount, which could make a massive difference to the lives of businesses, commuters, and travelers. One of the most significant advantages of the Hyperloop is its insanely high speeds. It is capable of traveling at over 760 miles an hour, which is almost the speed of sound. This means that travel times between cities could be reduced by hours or even days. For example, traveling from San Francisco to Los Angeles, which currently takes around 6 hours by car, could be cut to a journey time of around 30 minutes by the Hyperloop. However, there are still several challenges that need to be overcome before the Hyperloop becomes a reality. These include design, safety, and most importantly, cost. Even Elon Musk doesn't have a bank account balance healthy enough to get this thing off the ground.